What's going on, guys? Tony here with Lenovo at CES 2025, and I'm here to show you something very special, something I'm very excited about, the Lenovo Legion Go S. All right, so let's go over some of the specifics. So this is running on SteamOS right out of the box. You don't have to mess around with Windows 11, which is something I've been asking for. If you've seen some of our previous videos, you know that's always been a big complaint of mine. As for some of the changes, this is a unibody design, whereas the previous Lenovo Legion Go, you get to attach the controllers. You don't do that with this one. It's just one full console. One other cool design feature is that you have trigger locks on the back, so if you're playing FPS, you can have like short actuation. But if you're playing a racing game, you can just press it down. Nice number of ports, SD card slot if you want to add more memory, more games. You get a 16:10 aspect ratio, 120 hertz refresh rate, which is really good. And inside, you get two options for processors: the new Z2 Go chip and the Z1 Extreme. The Z1 Extreme is the same chip that was in the previous model. Starts at $499, which is like fantastic. But if you want, you could actually upgrade it to the Z1 Extreme, which is also the same chip in the previous model. And you could also get 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. So a lot of upgrade options. This right here is the Windows 11 version of the Lenovo Legion Go S. Same design as the one we just looked at, only it's in white, but other than that, it's just running on Windows 11, but you could also configure it with the Z2 chip, Z1 Extreme. All right, last but not least, we got the Legion Go 2. This is a prototype, not finalized yet, but there's a lot of really cool things happening here. First, we got an OLED panel, which is gonna make games look absolutely fantastic on the 8-inch display. Detachable controllers like before. Right here, the power button is actually a fingerprint reader. And if you're a fighting game guy like me, you got an upgraded D-pad. It's 8-way, not instead of 4-way, so you can do your shoryukens, your spinning lariats with ease. It also has this kind of like silky kind of texture, which feels really nice to hold. If your hands get tired, you got kickstand here, pop it on the desk, keep playing. A lot of really cool stuff coming from Lenovo. I'm a big handheld guy, as you know, so I cannot wait to dive into this thing. So obviously I'm excited, but I want to know what you have to say. So please let me know in the comments below, and make sure you follow more of our CES coverage over at tomsguide.com, and also follow us at Tom's Guide on all your favorite social media platforms. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.